god, dude, that's so crazy. Oh, ah, ah. Yo, it's your boy Black Kyle Ken, and we're back with more Hunt Showdown. Man, y'all saw my last game, man. I popped off, getting kills, doing better. I mean, overall, this is my noob to pro series, but you already know, man. I'm already mid tier noob, so I'm getting better. We about to get into it. But you already know what to do. Please like, subscribe, follow all my socials, and then plus, you guys want to get a hype res Cloud Pros and sound whore like me and win the game. Check my link. It's about $60, and let's get into it. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm probably gonna lose my character. This is like my first game. My first games are usually horrible. You know, I have faith right now. Feeling good. I ate. You know, got some McDonald's in my system. You know, worst food to eat. I got it in my system right now. And yeah, let's go. What? What's over there? What you wanna do? Oh, which way you wanna go? Right's always right. Let's go right. Right is always right. Oh shit. Oh shit. Help. 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 How convenient. I can heal myself. Sweet. Okay. Oh shit, my mic's... Wait, turn that off. Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, see? Right's always right. Let's go. Oh, guess we move for ourselves just an inch closer. Oh, don't die. Don't get shot. Don't get shot. Don't get shot. Okay, sweet. Didn't get shot. They, well, you know, they picked up the thing, so they definitely know where I'm being here now. It don't even matter. Oh, shit! Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Okay. I dropped my mic, so it's on the ground right now. was stupid of me. That was dumb of me to do that. Oh. Dude, you are crazy. Dude, he didn't hear that shot the first time. I'm amazed. Nice. Wow. That was really good. He doesn't hear it. Oh my god. Oh my god, this guy is crazy. Don't die. Don't die, bro. There's like a whole nother team here too. Please don't die. Damn. Nice. Man, putting that drilling to work, bro. Yo, drilling OP, you know? That's stupid. Yo, that's actually stupid as fuck, dude. That Carson bomb should not be through the fucking ceiling, bro. That's crazy. Dude. Yo, look at the bottom right. Look at that guy's name. Y'all already know, bro. This guy's pro. Oh, wow. He chucked that. This guy's popping off with drilling, bro. Hey, that's crazy. If this guy had necromancer right now, that would just be perfection. He could actually go for the revive right now. I know he doesn't want to. So he could go for a revive, maybe. Yeah, go for it. Give me up. Yep. Woo. Hey, bro. I got carried. Oh, he disconnected? Why? You fucking loser. Wow, bro. Man missed out. He could get his character back. Wow, man. All right. Well, dude, my teammate carried me. Thank you. Oh, that's Pax. I thought he had a true shot for a second. I was like, yo. Damn. Look at this guy. I can't check him. Oh, yeah, I guess we're going to be on side. Alright, new game. Let's get into it. New game, baby. Oh my god. I got my true shot that I stole. I got some contraband right now. I'm probably gonna lose this, but I'm kind of happy that guy carried me. I was really upset I lost my character. You do that shit. Why? Oh no no no! Nice. Look at that thing. That thing is nasty. Oh, the boss layer? Wow. I never knew you can double it like that. That's cool. Alright. Sneak past you. That's what it wants. Look at that, bro. Dude, literally lights up everything, bro. It's like a fireworks session up there. Oh my god. I ain't gonna lie, that actually looked kind of sweet. I ain't gonna hold you. Just like the angle and everything. Everyone can see this, bro. Everybody can see this. I'm not gonna shoot that motherfucker. Yeah, I'm not picking that up. Yeah, you can pick that up. No, I can't pick it up. I'm pretty sure I got a full... Oh, I don't. Huh. Oh! Really bad. Oh god, dude, that's so crazy. Oh, ah, ah. Get him. retreat. Yeah, no, he gotta retreat. Retreat! Literally, I said it. Dude, I already knew, bro. Everybody's gonna see that fucking fireworks show, bro. We're lighting up the whole mountain, man. Oh, we got the bounce? Oh, we trying to bounce. God, that scared the shit out of me. I didn't see him. There we go. Miss, miss. Almost hit me. Okay. He almost hits the guy who doesn't have a bounty. That's perfect. Get down. See, he's not getting shot, bro. That's crazy. How is he not getting shot? He took the high road. What are you taking down here? I better not get shot in my back, bro. That'll make me so fucking mad. Make me so stupid. Please. Zombie, fuck off, man. Fuck off. I'm actually amazed I got that. Was that the only guy? Thank you. I ain't gonna lie, man. This contraband I got in my hand. One tap that boy. I just turned around and gave him a nice little... Get one of those. Hey, did you kill him? You killed that nigga? Oh, shit. You killed him. Are we safe now? Oh, shit. Nitro? Alright, got one of those. I don't want that shit. Burn it, dude. You know what, bro? That feels good. Me one tapping that guy, it made me like that gives me so much relief because like all the times I turned around and I just look at a guy for like 1 second, I just die. It feels good to be like the actual giver of that feeling, and I can just fucking. He had no time to react or anything. Yeah, that felt good. Alright, man. New game. Y'all saw me in my last game. Y'all already know. Man, dude. Popping off. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys. This contraband right here. The true shot. Yeah. Let me do that again. Look at that. Stole this. This is mine now. Why is here? Yeah, burn. Alright, man. Let's go. This is my last game. Wait. Oh, man. Come on, teammate. How are you, like, not ready, bro? I don't understand how people just, like, just ready up and just walk away. Ay. It's over here. Let's go. Oh, he's right there. Oh. Something I'm starting to realize too about like aiming in this game. I can like say like when you actually get into engagement, like put into the comments if you guys are actually still watching, but put in the comments like when you actually get into engagement with the guys like right in front of you, dude. Like I don't know what it is. I know PC players they're different because they're all cracked, just regardless because they have PCs. But like for console players like me, I know you guys get in front of a person, man. You scared. You're moving all over the place. You don't know what to do. I'm telling you, bro. All you gotta do, man, is calm down and just line up the shot. It takes them at least a couple of seconds. Like if you're still shuffling around, all you gotta do is line up that shot, bro. Just concentrate, just slow down, and just put all your focus to your thumb, bro, and just try to line it up as much as you can, bro. I'm telling you, you can get that headshot. Now, I'm saying that, and I can just say that and just die in this game. But I'm telling you, bro, like the person you're in front of, he's also scared, cause man, I only have about 41 hours in this game, bro. But like seeing like a lot of engagement I got into, I'm telling you, bro, like when you're like right in front of their face, unless they have an actual like melee attack or something, bro, you got about like 1 good minute. Actually, 1 minute is. Oh, I thought that was an enemy, bro. My heart is beating right now. That boy instant killed me with a baseball bat. He instant killed me with a baseball bat, bro. What the fuck? Dude, what? Wait a minute. That... He instant killed me with a baseball bat. What? How do I... Wait. 150? 150? Wait a minute, bro. Wait, no. Alright. New game. After having a baseball bat, literally take the guy. He didn't even hit me in my face, bro. He literally hit me in my fucking knees. He hit me in my knees, and I instantaneously died. So, cool with me, bro. I can't believe a fucking goddamn hillbilly killed me with a fucking baseball bat. Yeah. You know, I should have pushed, but for some reason someone was telling me they actually heard me. I need to like... Shit, dude. I'm trying to talk here. I should have like... I need to like have someone just like crouch around me in the training mode so I can actually hear how loud the crouch steps are, because if I just walked up and just tapped him at least once, bro, that would have been just a little bit more easier on my soul. It is what it is, bro. I'm like slightly upset, but honestly, it is what it is. I'm kind of upset that my first shot down when I was looking down didn't kill him. But it is what it is, bro. I'm just surprised he just... He must have already had... He was already holding like this. He was already charged. He was already charged. Like, that's so... Dude, that's so, like, stupid. That's so dumb. And my teammates should have just ran and got me. Fuck this thing, man. Come on. This guy is loud. He let the guy run up! Oh. Oh. Did you guys even kill him? Y'all let the guy run up and kill me. Wait a minute. He threw? How did he kill me? He ran up and shot me. Or he literally ran up. My teammates literally let the guy run up and annihilate me. He literally ran up and annihilated me. Thank you. I killed that motherfucker, bro. I killed him. Yes, this. Okay. Dude, just tell me everybody's dead. My soul right now. My soul is on fire right now, bro. I do not want to be getting killed in the most horrific ways possible. Fuck this, man. Fuck you, bro. Killing me with that bullshit. What you got? Holy shit. We clear? Okay. I'm killing this guy, bro. Shoot him, bro. Out. Oh, there's a whole team here. Okay. Okay, I know they're over there, but there's not much I can really do about that. Yeah, go, bro. Come on. Our teammates is leaving. Look, you gotta go. Nigga didn't even say shit. He just ran, bro. This dude is just going to. No, please don't get shot. Don't get shot. Please, God. Okay, peacefully. I'm gonna sit right here. Right between these two Broncos. Oh. Man, dude. We got away. We got away, man. Safe and sound. Honestly, I would have been upset, bro. I would have been drastically upset if they let that guy kill me and I die and we just end up losing. I'm kind of surprised. At least turn around. My teammates already just hightailing, man. I need to start putting like little like meme like little clips in here so I can just like show you how I feel, bro. He's already gone, bro. But shit. That's gonna be the end of the video. But y'all already know what to do. Go down, comment what you guys like. Comment if I need to improve on anything, any tips and tricks you guys want to put onto me. Please like, subscribe, follow my socials, my TikTok, everything else. And you guys want some headphones so you can actually hear from miles away, like I'm doing. Y'all already know what to do. Look at my link, top $60, and yeah, man, peace out.